Hi guys, my name is Sahrish. Today in this video, I will be tell you about mortgage reports. So now let's start. First of all, open your Google Chrome now. Search mortgage report and hit enter. Now click the first link. Update: the FHA waived its mandatory waiting periods in August 2013. Read more about the FHA Back to Work program here. Between 2006 2011, the FHA share of the purchases mortgages market increased fivefold. For 2012 and beyond, that share should increase. The FHA is contemplating new looser mortgage guidelines that would waive its standard waiting period after a significant debt credit event. Home business with recent bankruptcy, foreclosure, or short sale might be clear to buy a home immediately. Verify your new rate June 5, 2023. FHA loans for browsers with 500 FLCO or better. The Federal Housing Administration FHA is not a mortgage lender. The FHA does not make loans. Rather, it insures loans for banks that do. The FHA publishes a complement of rules known as FHA mortgage guidelines, and so long as a mortgage meets of the rules minimum standards, the FHA will insure the loans issuing bank against default. A better name of an FHA mortgage then might be FHA insured mortgage. It's a more accurate reflection of the relationships between the FHA and mortgage lender nationwide. For purchases transformation, FHA mortgages guidelines are fairly straightforward. FHA mortgages guidelines change with the economy. Mortgage guidelines are a living, breathing thing. As the housing marketing moves and as credit conditions necessitated mortgage guidelines morph, this is true for FHA mortgage guidelines just as it is for Fannie and Freddie Mac type loans and FHA loans. For example, guideline changes can be small, increasing maximum debt to income ratios from 43% to 45%, for example, or they can be big. The HRP 2.0 program is a good example of this. Other time changes are major board in scope that they result through the housing marketing as a whole. The FHA may make a major guideline change soon. Within 75 days, the FHA is expected to change its purchase mortgage guidelines to allow home buyers with major deteriorated credit events in their recent history to skip the traditional waiting period for an FHA-backed mortgage. Verify your new rate June 5, 2023. Major treasury events include foreclosure, short sale, and Chapter 7 bankruptcy. The mandatory waiting period of each of the aforementioned events and as follows. Accusation credit has been re-established by the browser. Verify your new rate June 5, 2023. See today FHA mortgages rates. The FHA has grown its marketing share since the start of the dancing on the combinations of sound mortgage guidelines, low mortgage rates for browser, and a minimum down payment option of just 3.5% with its expanded waiting period. Whether and FHA figures to grow its marketing share and the pool of potential buyers nationwide. Time to make a move. Let us find the right mortgages for you June 5, 2023. Dan Gray is an expert on topics of money and mortgage with over 15 years writing for a consumer audience of personal financial topics. Dan has been featured in the Washington Post, Market Watch, Blooming, and other. FHA cut mortgage course of 2023. Here how much you can save. What are the different types of FHA loans and how do they work? An FHA loan is a government-backed mortgage that popular with first-time home buyers. Discover the different types of FHA loans available. What is the FHA 203K loan and how does it work? The FHA 20K work loan is a home improvement loan available in all 50 states. Learn the major benefits plus some things to watch out for.